So today I'm gonna do a little job on the truck. It seems to be running kind of rough when it's cold, like, you know, minus 20, 30. Even when its truck's warmed up, it still has like a little jump in the idle. Hoping a fuel filter fixes it. Got these things on sale. You need a pair of these to get them out of the package. Man, that'll undo some stuff. Might just put those in my pocket. There we go. Good filter wrench there. Yeah, these are the good ones, but they're super expensive and they were on sale, so they should last me until I die. Silver truck's been running kinda, like when it's cold, it's got like a vibration to it. Just at idle. Once you're riding, it's nothing. It's just something. I'm thinking it's just a fuel filter, so I'm gonna change that. It's 50 bucks. It's gonna take me 10 minutes, and we'll go see if it makes a difference. Show you what I'm doing here. Right there. Got it. Huh. Looks different than the one I bought. This is the one I took out. This is the one I bought. And they do not look the same. Okay, so I don't know what's going on here, but I ordered the right part number with the wrong filter, I guess. So the filter right there that's in the garbage, I guess I gotta go put back on my truck because I have no other vehicle right now to get to the store to buy the right one. So it's my better judgment. That's going back on. Better than walking. All right, we'll see if this thing will start now. Give her a couple cycles of the key here. Let that poor little lift pump just lift all that fuel up here. All right, we'll see if she goes. She went. She's not happy about it. Got the fuel filter. Went to Dodge to get it. A bit of a price difference from the wrong one. That was like 140 bucks, so I don't know how some people do it. Like, you know, I'm still able to get the parts and stuff, but man, there's a lot of people that aren't going to pay $130 for a fuel filter for a truck that's still running. Anyways, so I got the fuel filter. It is the right one. So the one I bought this morning, I don't know if it was in the wrong box or and I got the right box, or if it's just a problem with the system. Like, I just used that little touchpad there at the store. You can look it up yourself. Anyways, it didn't work. So we'll throw this filter in, and then yeah, I guess we'll take it for a little drive and see how she works. The thing is, like right now, the truck's driving perfectly fine. No drivability issue. It's just when you're sitting parked, usually when you start it cold, there's that fluctuation in the idle, so that shouldn't be there. I'm actually trying out this new camera today too, so I don't know if not 100% sold on the mic thing. Like, I hate having another thing I got a hard enough time hitting one button to record something, let alone hitting two, making sure my mic's clipped on or whatever, but I'm gonna try it. This thing does have a built-in mic on it, so I might just see how that works, because I mean, that's honestly the only way to make it sustainable for me. Roads are slushy out today. I think it's finally going above freezing, like, not today, but probably in the next couple days. So, leading up to that, the roads are going to be a complete mess. But the snowmobiling's good. I wonder if it matters. Like, obviously I didn't go there first off this morning. I went to Canadian Tire, got the cheap one that didn't fit. But if it fit, I would have used it. And it was 50 bucks, so about almost a third of the price. But I wonder if it even matters. The snow's almost too deep for the enticer now. Like, unless there's a trail broke, I can't even really ride that anymore. Like, I was wishing for snow here all summer, but maybe too much. Let's see if this bad boy will start. No tools? Oh yeah, there's one. Look at that idle. Couldn't be any smoother. Alright, that's done. Now we'll take it for a test drive. Whew. Seems good so far. Just gonna run up the road and back and we'll call this one good. This is a lot nicer than the old 24 valves like my blue truck. Like if you did something like that, you gotta reprime it, and this thing here, you do your filter, crank her over, and she's running. One good thing about the newer ones, I guess. Oh, there's garbage, man. I'll lie to myself too and say it's working way better than it was. I don't notice a single difference other than it idled nicer. Driving it was always fine. So. Once these cars go by, I'll get into her a little bit here and see how she runs. I think she's fixed. You're gonna see a lot of those graders out in the next couple of days. It's been so cold they couldn't even clear the snow. She's all good now. Truck's still running good. I think that's all she needed. You don't need to know nothing about filters to know that thing was bad. Like that was beyond bad. I should have known better too. Like when I first bought this truck, bought it used, this thing wouldn't even, it would barely run because of the air filter. I was driving it home from buying it, and every time I gave it like a little bit of gas, just pulling away or whatever, the thing was saying like check air filter. I took the air filter out. Looked like a solid brick. Like you couldn't see nothing through it. I should have kept it just to, I don't know. No, I shouldn't. That's stupid. But anyway, it was a really dirty air filter. And like it was so dirty, the truck knew it wasn't getting enough air. So anyway, should have known. Should have done the fuel at the same time. I didn't. That's just the way I operate. So I got a couple more little clips the other night. We took the snowmobiles out, went to McDonald's for a hot chocolate. I'll put those at the end of this one, and we'll see you on the next video. Later. People working here just get a kick out of that. Big truck behind them.